Nestled in the heart of Jambusar lies Kabirwadi, the home of Vikas Center for Development. Inspired by the Saint Kabir's belief in peaceful coexistence, we strive for a world where all living things thrive. This is the spirit that guides our work in these vibrant coastal villages. On April 7, 2026, we hosted our annual Varshik Sammelan, a special gathering in Jambusar. This year, in collaboration with E&Y, we opened our doors to both men and women, honoring the incredible contributions of 12 coastal communities in their journey towards sustainable village development. The day began bright and early at 9:30 a.m. with a bustling registration. Over 500 participants, a majority of whom were women, poured in with palpable enthusiasm, ready to celebrate a year of shared achievements and renew their pledge for the future. At 11 a.m., the Sammelan officially began in the presence of our esteemed guest, founder and managing trustee of Vikas Center for Development, Mr. Rajesh Shah, VMS's founder Mittal Patel, Vikas CFD Chairman Harinesh Pandya, Janpat Program Director Pankti Jog, and the Sarpans of all 12 villages in attendance.
ઘણું બધું ઘણા બધા ગામોમાં કામ થયું છે. શું થયું છે ને જાણીએ અને એમાંથી પ્રેરણા લઈને આપણા ગામોમાં શું કરી શકાય એક ચિંતન કરીએ આપે.
Ms. Pooja Joshi then took the stage, presenting a comprehensive overview of the transformative work accomplished between March 2025 and March 2026. Her presentation beautifully captured the essence of our collective journey. We showcased our impact through 4 powerful documentaries. Each film told a story: how mangroves support livelihoods, how solar power drip irrigation saves water and boosts farming, how the Garima initiative empowers women through Mahila Nyay Kendras, and how Lok Adhikar Kendra helps communities access justice. Following the compelling documentaries, we recognize the tireless dedication of our community workers from the Garima initiative. Bahjiben, Anandiben, Shardaben and Uday Singh Bhai received a well-deserved round of applause for their invaluable efforts.
આ પાછળ ગણ છે પણ એને તાલીઓ છે ગડગડાથી આપણે વધાવી લઈશું.
પહેલી વાત નથી એવી છે કે ખેડૂત એવી સંસ્થા મને મળી એક પ્રકારની એ ટપક પદ્ધતિ એટલે મને કમસે કમ એ ટપક સપનામાં ખબર નથી કે મારા ખેતરમાં ટપક પદ્ધતિ આવશે.
The heart of our event resonated with the voices of change. Beneficiaries from various Vikas projects bravely shared their personal success stories, illustrating how our initiatives have brought tangible improvements and hope to their lives. Next, the inspiring female leaders of our Gram Vikas Samitis shared their experiences. They eloquently explained the process and profound impact of their environmental development assemblies insights that were truly enriching and worth learning.
બધાએ બહુ સરસ રીતે વાત કરી. કોઈએ હું કરીને વાત નથી કરી. બધાએ અમે મળીને આમ કર્યું, અમે આમ કર્યું અને એમાં અમને સંસ્થાનો ટેકો મળ્યો.
Our distinguished guest speakers then offered their reflections, sharing how deeply moved they were by the event. They emphasized the powerful resurgence of Sangathan in Jambusar, praising the unwavering discipline and dedication of these communities, and shared the valuable lessons they themselves had learned. As a token of our profound appreciation, gifts were distributed to all the female members of the Gram Vikas Samiti, honoring their relentless work and leadership in fostering sustainable village development. And then, a shared lunch brought everyone together, strengthening the spirit of community. After the main event, attendees explored a vibrant photo gallery, a visual journey through the past year's initiative. It was a wonderful opportunity to reflect on cherished memories and the collective impact achieved. The Varshik Sammelan was a great success. It was made possible by the dedicated Vikas Center for Development Jambusar team who worked tirelessly from setting up LED screens and managing the photo gallery to coordinating a community of over 500 people, ensuring active participation and a smooth, memorable event.